Hello everyone and welcome to our video on unlocking your creative potential, tips and tricks for sparking inspiration. In this video, we will explore the ways in which we can tap into our creativity and use it to our advantage. Have you ever found yourself stuck in a creative rut? You know that feeling when you want to create something, but you just can't seem to get started? We all have been there. In this video, we will discuss some simple yet effective ways to overcome creative blocks and spark inspiration. First things first, let's talk about the importance of a positive mindset. The way you think can greatly affect your creativity. If you think negatively, it can limit your ability to come up with new ideas. On the other hand, if you have a positive attitude, you'll be more open to exploring new possibilities. One way to maintain a positive mindset is through affirmations and positive self-talk. It may sound cheesy, but it works. By telling yourself that you are capable of coming up with great ideas, you'll be more likely to do so. Next, let's talk about the importance of setting goals. Without clear goals, it's easy to get lost in the creative process. By setting specific and achievable goals, you can focus your creativity and make the most out of your ideas. It's also important to remember that not all goals need to be big and ambitious. Sometimes, the smallest goals can lead to the biggest breakthroughs. Now let's talk about brainstorming. Brainstorming is a classic technique for generating ideas. However, it's important to do it right. In order to make the most out of brainstorming, it's essential to have a diverse group of people and ideas. One way to achieve diversity is to invite people from different backgrounds and perspectives. This can bring new ideas to the table and challenge your own assumptions. Another technique for sparking inspiration is to look for inspiration outside of your field. Sometimes, we can get too caught up in our own industry or niche. By exploring different fields and industries, we can gain new perspectives and ideas. For example, if you're a graphic designer, you might look at architecture or fashion for inspiration. Who knows, you might find your next big idea in an unexpected place. Lastly, let's talk about the importance of taking breaks. Creativity can be exhausting, and sometimes we need to step back and recharge. By taking breaks, we give our minds the chance to rest and come back with fresh perspectives. It's important to remember that breaks don't have to be long or elaborate. Sometimes, a short walk or a few minutes of meditation can be enough to get your creativity flowing again. And that concludes our video on unlocking your creative potential, tips and tricks for sparking inspiration. We hope that these tips will help you overcome creative blocks and unleash your full creative potential. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.
If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Take care, and we'll see you in the next one.